Hello everybody, let's start today's class. It is third part of exercise 15.1 of chapter probability of class 10. Now question number 14. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, a red face card, the jack of hearts, a spade and queen of diamonds. These 6 points we have to find out. Already in previous video I have explained about the cards. So there are 52 cards. A king of red color. There are two red colors is diamond and heart is a red color cards. So there are two kings. So okay. So total number of cards 52 and number of sample space is 52. And red king, a king of red color, that is the 2. So number of event is 2. So therefore probability of event is number of event upon number of sample space. It is 2 upon 52, 1 upon 26. Okay. Next question is, second part is a face card. There are total face card is 12. So okay. 4 king, 4 queen and 4 jack. These are the face cards. So number of events is 12 and probability of event, that is probability of event, probability of the face card upon total number of cards. 12 upon 52, it is 3 upon 13. Okay. Next is third part, third question, the red face card. The red face card is the 6 are red face card, 6 upon 52. Okay. That is 3 upon 26. Fourth question is the jack of heart. It's okay. The jack of heart. It is the only one jack in a heart. So it is probability of the event is 1 upon 52. Fourth one, the spade. There are in spade there are 13 cards. So 13 upon 52, it is 1 upon 4. Sixth one is the queen of diamond. So okay, event is the queen of diamond, that is only one queen of diamond. So it is 1 upon 52. You have to write in this way. Okay. Now question number 15. 5 cards. The 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face cards. One card is then picked up at random. What is the probability that the card is the queen? Second one, if the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace or queen? So okay. So first the sample space is the 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamond. That means there are 5 cards. So okay, number of sample space is 5 and event is the queen of diamond, that is the one card only. In diamond there is one queen, so it is 1. So probability is 1 upon 5. Now second is, if the queen is drawn and put aside, then the remaining card means sample space is 4 cards are remain here. So it is sample space is 4 and number of event is, that is the an ace, it is also 1. Okay. So therefore 1 upon 4 is the probability of an ace. Okay, 1 upon 4. Now a probability of queen. Now in remaining cards, queen already we put aside. So there is no queen. So number of a queen upon number of sample space 0 upon 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Next question is question number 16. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at the pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good pen. Now event is of good pen. So okay, and it is number of event, that is 132. Good pen is 132, and total number of pen is sample space, that is equal to 132 plus this one I have taken defective 12, good pens 132, and total is 144. So okay, probability of good pen is 132 upon 144, 11 upon 12. Okay. Question number 17. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? Now defective is 4 bulb, not defective there are 16 bulbs, and total is 20 bulb. So okay, 16 plus 4, 20. Now event has given a bulb is defective, so number of event is 4, defective bulb is 4, and sample space total is 20. Therefore a bulb is defective, the probability is 4 upon 20 is equal 1 upon 5. Okay. Next is second part is, suppose the bulb is drawn at random from the lot in 1 is not defective. So 1 is not defective and is not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? So that one first drawn out, that we have to keep it separate. So now the sample space is 16 minus 1 is 15. So okay, that is bulb not defective, that was 16. Now 1 keep it separately, so it is 16 minus 1 15 bulb, and bulb drawn is not defective is 15, and total number of bulb is 19. So probability of bulb drawn is not defective is 15 upon 19. Okay. Now a box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number, a perfect square number, a number divisible by 5. First, there are 1 to 90. So okay, the numbers is 1 to 90. So total 1. So okay, total number is 90. Okay, sample space is total 90. Okay. Now the 2-digit numbers are 10 to 90. So how many numbers from 10 to 90? We always have to minus highest minus lowest frequency plus 1. It is the method, because when we count 10 to 19, we count from 11, 12, 13, 14 in this way, not a 10. Because of that, you have to subtract 90 to 10 plus 1. Always in this way you have to count. That is the 81 pens total. 81 disc. And number of event is 81. So okay, and total number is 90. So probability is 81 upon 90, it is 9 upon 10. Okay. Second part is the perfect square number are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. These are the perfect square number. And how many numbers these are? There are 9 numbers. So probability of a perfect square number is 9 upon 90, that is 1 upon 10. Third part is the number divisible by 5. So in table of 5, how many numbers you can write the table of 5 or till 90, multiple of 5, that means till 90, and there are 18 numbers. So okay, these are the 18 numbers and total number is 90. So probability of the number divisible 5 is 18 upon 90, it is 1 upon 5. Okay, thank you. In next video I will explain from question number 19. Thank you very much.